Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel! My name is Daniel, in case you don't know, but I'm here again with my KTM Duke 390, and I have a good update for you guys. Last video, published I think 2 days ago, I made an update about my exhaust that it was not working, basically. It broke, my titanium exhaust broke, and I had no really recourse for fixing it, and I had to buy an exhaust clamp, but we leave, today is Friday, we leave tomorrow morning for the Three Sisters, and I'll make some good videos with the bike for that, but I had no recourse. So I bought a clamp from KTMworld.com from the Microfiche, and it gets here tomorrow afternoon. Obviously that won't work, so quick little update, very short video. What I want to show you is that in fact I made my own clamp using the smaller clamp which I had, because the thing is the clamp that I had was too small to use and just would not fit. So basically, in short, what I did is I just came over here to the vise, right? I grabbed the clamp and I put it in here, and with the heat gun I sprayed it a little, and with this huge bar from my my jack, I almost call it a cat, because in Spanish we call it gato, so I just call it a cat. But yeah, with my jack, I used this huge bar to but to bend the clamp to the shape that I wanted to with the heat and the vise, and actually, it turned out just alright. It's pretty much just as perfect as I could need it. This will be just fine for the weekend. Obviously, whenever I get back, I will install the correct clamp from KTM. But for now, this is perfect. Look at that. I fixed my exhaust, and finally, it's working, right? So, yeah, we leave tomorrow. I'm gonna make some good videos. I got the GoPro. I still gotta figure out a mount for the GoPro on my helmet, but I'll do that right now, I guess. But actually, let's do it together. And yes, I know I look like a mess right now. I just all dirty and stuff. But it's just because, you know, today's the last day before we leave, and I just got to do all this right now. But yes, here's my helmet. Obviously, I've made a helmet. I've made a video about this helmet. Link to it right here. Click it. Great video, great helmet. I love this thing. It's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna have to attach a GoPro mount somewhere on the sides, maybe way back here or the front. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out right now, because right here on my other helmet, my old helmet, I had a mount right here on the left side. So I think I'll probably just copy what I did there. Let's get into it. Also, please do excuse the mess. It's a bit exhausting right now. But no, really, yeah. Excuse it. I've just put everything on there right now. We got the Mazda's brake pads, which didn't turn out how we wanted. I'll make a video about that later, but yeah, we got the new exhaust there, which I'm not going to use yet. I'm going to make a video about that, solely about that. And then my two old pipes, which one of them I never used, and the titanium one right there, which I broke, which obviously caused all of this to happen. But yeah, let's get back into the helmet. I'm going to get, I'm going to get my GoPro mounting things from my special filming bag, my YouTube bag. Here's what I think I'll use. I have a simple mock-up. Only thing is, it has a few too many points for my liking, too many points of movement, but you know what? I'll see what I can do. So, I think I have figured something out. It was not easy. It was quite annoying, actually. It was annoyingly difficult, but here's what I have so far. I've already mounted the 3M thing on. It has 4 points of movement, which is more than I'd want. Obviously I'd want, like, you know, preferably 1, but that's really not possible, right? So what I have to do is 4 for now. I'm gonna safety wire it to the helmet, just in case this fails, but the 3M mounting point is pretty good, actually. It's sticking on very well. 4 points, very nice. And the lens, what I like about this setup right now is that the lens itself is in the center of the helmet instead of the actual entirety of the camera being in the center, which would put the camera lens over to the left. However, I have just purchased a chin mount for this GoPro, for specifically this helmet from Ride Tech Moto. They're made by Chin Mount, I think. I'll put a picture of it here. It was like 33 bucks including shipping, so it wasn't bad at all. But yeah, I bought that just so that I could use this temporarily for the Three Sisters and whatever else I may go on a ride for until I receive that proper chin mount. But until then, this is what I got, and I'm not even too displeased with it. I quite like it, actually. Because the thing is, I don't ride, obviously, looking straight ahead. I ride with my chin down a little, so the angle camera is perfect, and if need be, I can adjust it up, but not down. So, I'll see how that goes. I'll maybe take a little test ride and see how it looks. But yeah, this is pretty good, actually. I'm quite pleased. Exhaust is fixed, actually. I can't believe I'm saying that, but the exhaust is fixed. I gotta fix, or not fix, but I gotta put back that plate. Gotta put the plate back on. This side, it looks naked without it. And I think, well, the bike is pretty clean, actually. I think I washed it and only rode it one time since. So, bike is clean. The S1000 XR is not clean. Not at all. We will, I guess I could wash it. However, it looks like it might rain. Who knows? And here's the Volvo. And yes, the Volvo is going away. But all that ends well. No, how is it? All's well ends well. All's well ends well. Right? Yeah. The bike. It is done. It's ready. Pretty much ready. Catalytic converter is on. Got the pipe on, and the other, or not the other, but the muffler that I had on, and look at that. Rock solid. Let me put a clip of what the exhaust was like last time. And now this. Perfect. I love it. Also, I think I've developed allergies. I don't know why. I've never been so stuffy-nosed ever in my life for this amount of time. But I think it's allergies now. I don't know. I would hate for that to be the case, but, you know, whatever. But yes, the exhaust seems to be broken here. Honestly, at this point, I could not care less. It's whatever. It's gonna work. So, I don't know what it sounds like yet, actually, because this is technically a new setup. I have the titanium header with the factory cat, the Competition Works chamber delete, and this broken, not broken, but I guess no DB killer Akrapovič knockoff muffler. Let's start it up. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, guys. So, bike is on the center stand. I guess, I don't know, rear swing arm stand. I got my mom to help me. You probably saw. But yeah, let's hear what it sounds like. I really have no idea what it's gonna sound like. I think it'll sound like exactly like my previous setup with the Competition Works chamber delete and the cat. I have no idea. Let's see. Let's see what it sounds like. That sounds, wow, that's loud. Sounds good. Only thing left to do really is just top off all the fluids, which it pretty much has. It has new oil, it has new brake fluid actually. I could check the coolant and top off the coolant. I don't think it's necessary, but I'll do that, you know, better to be safe than sorry. And then the bike is completely ready for some fun hard riding in Texas. So yeah, I'll top off the coolant, and then that's pretty much it. No coolant needed. I think it had enough. Yeah, it might have had enough. Yeah, bike's done. Now it's done. The bike is ready because it didn't need coolant. But yeah, the bike is ready. I'm very excited. Honestly, I'm very excited to go to the Three Sisters. I got the hitch on the Mazda. I'm ready to go pick up the trailer, put the two bikes on. Maybe after I wash the S1000 XR. But yeah, I will be making lots of videos. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. I really hope that you guys look forward to the next video just as much as I do. This is going to be a lot of fun. So until then, guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I will catch you all on the next one. Take care.